4 top tips to improve analysis in business at A-level and IGCSE. First quick fix to improve analysis is to use connections. Too many students get stuck on knowledge or limited analysis. Connected phrases like "this means that" force you to move from knowledge to analysis. Second quick fix to improve analysis: depth rather than breadth. To score analysis marks, you must show analysis, then developed analysis. You won't have time to analyse in depth if you include every possible knowledge point in an answer. Third quick fix to improve analysis: use the chain of analysis structure. Chains of analysis make sure you score analysis points efficiently and effectively. Use them to keep your focus, especially in paper 2 questions. Fourth quick fix to improve analysis: use context. If you don't apply to the question, you can't access top analysis marks. Find detailed explanations on achieving top marks in analysis and the optimum technique, structure, timing and content to include for an A-star answer in every type of question in our A-star essential memberships for IGCSE and A-level business. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you really want to reach for the A-stars, head to the EDS Business Essential website where you can pick up your business exam guide free.